2000, it's either 7 or 8, Toyota Sienna. We got a problem. This headlight is burned out. It gets even better from there. So if you look down in here, somebody has put a nice HID system on here, and I think that's causing our issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out that ballast and everything, and we're going to put normal light bulbs in this thing. So there shouldn't be an issue. It's just kind of frustrating when people think they're upgrading it and it's not the right housing, it's not the right anything, and so just creates a big old problem. So let's see if we can get back and kind of do this one-handed here. So we got our light. We're just going to give it a turn counterclockwise. We're going to pull it out. Let's see here. So we got the light bulb pulled out, and right here, this is our original harness. So we're just gonna squeeze that in. Oh, can't do it one-handed. There, maybe a little bit better. Get you on a tripod. So we got the light bulb pulled out. This is just a quarter turn, popped right out. We got our harness here. We're gonna pinch and pull. I'm just going to set that aside for right now. So first things first, I want to get the light bulb actually put in, so we're not going to have to worry about that, and then we'll remove this stuff. So you got the light bulb. I want to make sure you do not touch the glass. Can you even see me? Yeah, you can see. You want to make sure you do not touch the glass on here on the light bulb. So this is as simple as getting it the right direction, plugging it in, and you can see the safety clip here clips on it. And so when we put this back in, we turn it counterclockwise to pull it out. We're going to push it in, turn it clockwise, and it's going to seat right in the hole. Clockwise, just a little turn. Now, it is in there. Now, we just got to get rid of this HID garbage that somebody put in here. Looks like they just screwed the ballast. Set this aside. No clue that removes this. We're just going to put the screw back. Okay, guys. This is what we pulled out. I don't even know what brand this is, but looks like that's the ballast. That's probably the jumper to get it to turn on. Got all the other garbage that goes along with it. The lights. So I have no clue if that was bad or not, but this caused a problem. Shortly after he got the van, this went out, and he's been driving around with one headlight. So that's out. Let's move over here to the driver's side and see what we can find there. I'm not going to get super up close on this one, but we got the same conditions over here. We got our plug. This is our factory plug. I'm just going to pinch, pull it out, reach back here, just a little turn of the light, pull it. This one, he just had zip tied in. All that garbage comes out yet again. Let's get our new replacement light. Remember, don't touch the bulb. I'm going to find our connection. Physically hear it click. Now, This one's a little bit more difficult because we got a fuse box here in the way. Actually, I wonder. That's going to make it a little bit easier. There we go. Maybe. Didn't get the seat all the way. There we go. We got that seated in there. Taking that cover off made it a lot easier to get back in there and just clip it into place. That. Now, folks, those nasty HIDs taken out, we have a passenger side light now, and we have a driver side light now. So, this is me on my soapbox. If your car wasn't designed for the HID bulbs, don't put them in. Just stick with the standard. I mean, you can up and get the whatever brand offers, you know, the lighter, brighter, whiter light if you want that, great. So get those and put them in. But don't put this aftermarket junk in. Anyway, guys, if you like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And we will see you next time.